Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Google Chrome app on iPhone. Right, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, got to find your app store. This one. Okay, so just tap on it, wait for it to load. After once it loads, you'll be landed to the games or apps section. Now, once you're in here, just tap on the search function at the bottom right. Tap on it. And then tap on the search bar at the very top. Once that's done, you got to find Google Chrome. Once done, tap on search and just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you'll be able to see Google Chrome right here and any other Google stuffs. So what you'll do is again, find Google Chrome and tap on the cloud icon and just wait for the download process to finish. And after that, it will just install by itself. So wait for it, and while it's downloading, you can go to find any other Google related apps right here to install if you want to. So let's go ahead and check it out right here. It's almost done. And once that's done, all you got to do next is just basically tap on open and enjoy browsing using Google Chrome. And that's how easy it is to install Google Chrome or the Google Chrome app on your phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.